In this video, I will show you how to apply percentage formula in Microsoft Excel. So we need two column total mark and obtain marks. We will clear it. Now we will create one column total marks. So there is the for subject 400. It's total mark. So we need here a column and we need total mark. Five subjects, so it's 500. Enter it, and we need obtain marks. To get the obtain marks, type the sum formula. Type the sum formula equal sum and select 5 subject. Enter. Now drag and drop. Now to get the percentage equal sign, select obtain marks slash and total marks. Now asterisk, so press shift number 8 key on your keyboard and 100, press enter. Now you will see this type, so decrease the decimal or right click on it, format cells, and here you have to find out percentage. Click on OK. Right click on it, then format cells, and here select the number and make the decimal 2, then click on OK. Now drag and drop. So this is the way guys you can get the percentage in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.